Welcome to InvestMates. Today, I'll show you how to use our pre-built screeners to discover top investment opportunities in just a few clicks. To start, just click on Screeners in the bottom menu. Now let's start with Stock Screeners. Click on Stock in the top tab and it will switch to the Stock section. We've curated categories like high quality, momentum stocks and more. Just select a category and you'll get a hand-picked list of stocks that fit the strategy and complete with key insights. Now for the mutual fund screeners, just click on MF on the tab. You'll find pre-built options such as tax saving, mid-cap and low-risk funds and more. Simply choose a category and we'll show you the best matching funds along with their performance data. With InvestMates pre-built screener, you don't have to worry about complex filters. Just pick a category that suits your needs and we'll do the rest for you. It's a quick, easy and powerful tool. Try our screeners today and take the guesswork out of investing. Thank you.